This is what happens when I put my cats in timeout after knocking down the plants. Oh, there he is. No. Oh, he's out. He's coming out. There's one of them. You just gonna leave your brother in there? You can do it, Jason. Freddy's not gonna let you get out. Freddy, get off the box so Jason can get out. It's so mean. Oh my gosh. Come on, Jason. Come on, Jason. Look at you. You're so cute. Jason. I don't think he's... Oh, no, wait. Okay. Freddy. Hey, you. Are you gonna let your brother out? Stop putting him back in. Jason, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, you can make it. Come on, no, Freddy. Come here. Come on, Jason. Come on. Come on, kitty, you can do it. Don't give me that look. Freddy, you are so mean. You're so mean. Freddy. Freddy. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah, you. Well, hopefully he gets out sooner or later.